About money, mindset, trading. I'm gonna go on Instagram Live and I'm gonna be giving you guys as much free value as possible. So the free content is out there. It's just a matter of you not being there and you not taking advantage of it. I'm gonna give you guys some free game. If you wanna catch the whole entire live, make sure you hop on the Instagram box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna give you as much value as I can from all the things that I've learned from YouTube, Instagram, mentors, courses, all the above. And what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm Andre Diaz. I'm a self-employed day trader, entrepreneur, whatever you want to call me. All you got to know is today is not going to be a normal video. We're not going to have just an ordinary vlog. This isn't going to be a vlog at all, but I'm going to be answering questions from the community, answering questions from you guys, answering questions from everybody that has questions, whether it's about money, mindset, trading. I'm going to go on Instagram Live and I'm going to be giving you guys as much free value as possible. They can ask me anything that people in my mentorship, people in VIP, people that pay money could ask. So if you're not taking advantage of the free content, whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, you're slacking because the free content is out there. It's just a matter of you not being there and you not taking advantage of it. I'm gonna give you guys some free game. If you wanna catch the whole entire live, make sure you hop on the Instagram, but I'm gonna give you guys a good 15, 20 minutes, whatever I can get, whatever this camera allows me to get without dying and corrupting all the footage. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna give you as much value as I can from all the things that I've learned from YouTube, Instagram, mentors, courses, all the above. So now, with that being said, let's get out, stop yapping, let's get straight to work.
We're
gonna get straight on into it. I had to deal with something with my girlfriend, but we active. To ask me anything, I'm gonna get straight on into it since I'm already a little late. What's the main difference between futures and Forex that you've noticed personally? The main difference is what you're trading. If you're trading Forex, you're trading pairs. If you're trading futures, you're trading stuff like US 30, NAS 100, you're trading indexes. But the main difference is gonna be the platforms. The platforms is what really changes, in my opinion, between the two. How you pay your trading taxes, you gotta pay them yourself. You gotta do a 1090, 109, something like that. I forget the exact name. It's like 1090. When joining, you going to teach us make this cheddar. I'm gonna teach you what I do. If you making money is up to you. What motivates you every day? Shit, just 1099. I knew it was like 10.9 something. It was just 1099. That's exactly right there. You gotta file one of those. Just in my opinion, just wait till you have all your statements from your broker, from your prop firms, and then just go off of the gross of what you made. But what motivates me? Just not having my dreams yet. Just not having the life that I want yet. I have a good life, but it's not what I want yet. You know what I mean? It's not the level that I want. I keep up with the vlogs daily. Thank you for the game. Always. I'm recording. Today's video is not going to be a vlog. It's going to be a lot of the questions from here for the video because I'm going to have a vlog in the morning. I'm trying to, work my way with the schedule. How does the 50% on Top Step work? So basically, if you make $1,000 in profit, say you're able to withdraw that. Say you've made $1,000, you'll have access to 50%. So you'll be able to withdraw $500 of that 1,000. It'll just keep you from withdrawing your entire account. So essentially, you won't blow it. It's only bad for people that end up blowing their account. But if you can make money consistently, then 50% isn't gonna be bad. What's good, fam? What's good, Birdie? What's your personal take on indicators? Do you rely on the info? So how many do you think you should limit them to? Personally, I wouldn't recommend indicators unless you're going to use a specific type of indicator. But if you're looking for an indicator to indicate whether you should buy or sell, it's not going to be worth. What's going on, Krabs? What's up, Birdie? How you been? If I made $200 and $300 on the third day, 1,000, how would be because I'm on eval? If I made 200 then 300, then on the third day, so 2, 3, made 1,000. How would you be? You'll be good. As long as you break it into at least 3 days, you'll be straight. How can I get verified? Bro, my live just ended. What is happening? I'm being sniped. Instagram does not want to see me succeed. Yo, they keep taking me down. They don't want to see me win, bro. I don't understand. They don't want to see me win. I'm going to keep going live. They do not want to see me do this live. God damn. They keep taking my shit down. The first time it was my fault. The first time I answered the phone. But after that, it's been cooked. They keep trying to take my shit down. Make a video on staying disciplined. I think I have a lot of videos. I would honestly just check the free course. There's a lot of videos in there. And if you're in VIP, VIP has a lot on discipline. VIP has a lot of that. Too much aura, that's what I'm saying. They trying to take me out, bro. They're like, he's giving too much value for free. I said I'm gonna give the value that VIP and the mentorship people asked me. I'm gonna answer it here, and they said I'm gonna cut that shit off. Are you Puerto Rican? Yeah, I'm Puerto Rican. How do I get verified for option if I don't have any experience option trading? Personally, I don't have any experience option trading either. I don't have too much to say about options besides the fact that I like day trading better. Options works. There's people in VIP that I know option trade, but me personally, I'm not really an options trader, so I wouldn't be able to give you a good idea. My bad for that, I'm fried, but if I made 200 on the first day of the eval, 300 on the second, so 500, and then 1,000 on the third day, how would the 50% apply to that? So meaning you just can't make more. If say your target is $3,000 for the challenge, you can't make more than $1,500 in a day. You can make $1,499 because that would be like 49%. But as long as you don't make 50% of the overall goal in a day, then that's good. But in terms of 50%, when you go to withdraw, that's what I meant earlier. I thought you were talking about the withdrawal, but 50% meaning like you just can't make more than 50% of the overall goal. If the overall goal is 1,000, you can't make more than 500 in a day. You can make 499, but not 50%. What's your favorite time schedule to trade and why? New York session, just because it has the most volume for what I trade. If I'm trading things such as US 30, NAS 100, it's gonna move a whole lot during the New York session because that's its main session. And New York session moves a lot for majority of things. New York session is just a high volume session. Quick breakdown on apps to begin trading. Just TradingView, MyFX Book, or Forex Factory. Those two are just like for news, to just understand the news events. YouTube, because YouTube is going to teach you a whole lot of stuff. I would say get on the free course, so you could just go in my bio for that. Other apps, I would say mainly just stick with those. Those are going to be the main things you need to actually start understanding. What means contract on future? It's just essentially, if you know Forex, it's like a lot size. So basically, your contract size is going to determine how much money you're risking per point per trade. New York session moves be crazy, like my dog. I feel that one. My dog's over there. You probably can't really see him right now. They over there going crazy. I'm not gonna show too much. They over there wilding. When you and PR hit me up, I run a jet ski business down here. Love your content, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm definitely here. DM me. I'm gonna definitely remember you, bro. I'm gonna definitely remember you. Especially because in the US, it's easy to get to, nice and fast. How important is it is that your stop loss for your mental? It's important because at the end of the day, a stop loss is like a seatbelt. You don't want to have to use it, but you're gonna be happy you have it in case, you know? It's just like it just saves you. I'd rather let the stop loss get hit than make it so I have to be disciplined enough to mentally close it, because most people aren't going to be disciplined enough to do that. Stop loss is going to be best for most cases and most people because they don't have the discipline to do this stuff themselves. What ICT concepts do you use? Fair value gaps, time-based liquidity. I would say fair value gaps is like the main concept I use by him, but it's just gaps. Gaps is the main thing I use, just to keep it simple. And I keep asking questions. So far, this is the longest we've been on here before they took me off. What are they doing over there? Oh, they got a dryer sheet. That's what they're ripping up. Crazy. What's going on, Kimmy? When we do trading, is it better during the day? Depending on where you are in the world. New York session is going to be 9 a.m. to like 11 a.m. That's the main time. So 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. EST. So you just have to align with that, but it really depends on where you're from. If you're in the U.S., trading things in the U.S. such as indexes are going to move the best around that time. I text you, I'll send you the jet ski page at. Hey, bet. Appreciate it, Birdie. How would you trade a turtle soup? A turtle soup is just like a false break. I teach a lot of that in the free course if you want to know more on that. Instagram hating? Instagram is definitely hating. They be showing love, but they be hating sometimes. How long does it usually take to pass a 50K top step? There's no usually takes. It's up to you. How long are you going to take? How much experience do you have? How much experience and confidence do you have in your system, in yourself? You know what I mean? That's the real question. I could pass it in a couple days. I could also take a couple weeks. There's no saying what the market conditions are going to be like. I can't control whether I'm going to have good conditions this week, bad conditions this week. I can't control that. All I can control is, All I can control is what I'm risking and what I'm doing. I'm thinking about joining, bro. We're going to be active in the morning. Every day. What's going on? Vince. What's a good trade pip tick size for you to aim consistently? It really depends on what you trade. I'm usually risking about 50 to 30 points. How much discipline you got, that's going to determine a lot. That's a fact. No matter how good your system is, if you don't got discipline, nothing matters. No cap. Any advice for traders who've been in the game for years and still no payout? Look at yourself, because I doubt you don't know how to trade. I doubt you don't know how to read the market. I doubt you can't come to the charts and figure out where it's going to go. More than likely, it's a you thing. Are you doing what you're supposed to? Are you holding yourself back? That's what you really got to look at, because 9 times out of 10, after the first 2 years, you know a lot about the charts. It comes down to knowing yourself and handling yourself now, and then looking deeper. How do you feel after a loss? Be honest. It depends the day, to be honest. I mean, I took a loss today. I took a loss and 2 break-evens. It just really depends. A loss and 2 break-evens feels better than just 2 losses or just 1 loss. But after loss, it really just depends. Is it a big loss? If it's a big loss, then it's a little bit different. How much was your first account that you got going? Like my first ever deposit? My first deposit was only $100. I started off small. But I blew multiple $100 accounts until it was literally thousands. Thoughts on DR? I honestly don't know what that is. I thought you said thoughts on doctor, to be honest with you. You in Miami? Nope, I'm in Tampa, Florida. Miami soon, Miami soon. I trade London session only now, be waking up at 2 a.m., sleeping at 4, waking up at 6 a.m. and starting to work at 9. Yeah, London session is a hard session to try to trade depending on where you are. I lack discipline a lot. What's your advice? Just do it. It's not going to be easy. Just look at it like this. You're going to get the life that you want from doing the things you don't want to do. How much money to start trading? I honestly don't worry about how much money to start trading. Worry about learning the actual concepts, learning about the skill set, learning about the risk management before you put any money into it. Because you could demo trade without having to essentially use any money. It's just about being smart about it. You fuck with support and resistance trades. That's mainly what I take ever since I started using it, become profitable. Personally, I don't like support and resistance, but it depends on really like what you're looking at. Because I can have support and resistance also be a gap. It's like there's a lot of different terminologies. As long as you understand what's happening within price action itself, then that's good. What do you think of one funded scam right now? I'm not sure. I don't really pay attention to a lot of the outside stuff, to be honest with you. Need a mentor to learn? I mean, you got me, you're here. But if you don't want me, you got Instagram, YouTube. It's just about finding someone you gravitate towards. I got mentors for different things. I got mentors for content, mentors for trading, mentors for business. Just gotta find who you like. Discipline really is the thing that you don't want to do, that you have to do to get to where you want to and deserve. It's facts. You got to do what other people won't to achieve what they can't, and that comes down to discipline. Discipline is literally doing the things that you don't want to do. What's the deal with clarity? I'm not sure right now. I have a account that I'm going to trade with them not this week, but going into next week. I'm not going to trade it on a Friday, but we're going to see. I'm going to display a lot of it on the YouTube. Will we get Mamba Effects collab one day? Maybe. No, nothing is in the works as of right now for a collab, but maybe in the future. Will Donald Trump create millionaires? No. You will create a millionaire within yourself. Donald Trump is just going to allow people to take advantage of stuff. But Donald Trump ain't going to create millionaires. Unless he's giving them money, he ain't going to create them. The people going to create them. People going to make themselves millionaires. The strategy is really easy. Asia, liquidity, equilibrium, sustainable liquidity, just waiting for a good setup and with more things. Facts. You still doing one-on-one? I missed mine. I'm mad as shit. I'm going to set them up soon, but they take a lot of time. So that's why I kind of stopped. Like doing 3 one-on-ones a day. Especially, you guys know me, I be talking too long. So me saying I'm going to be on there for 15 minutes, we be on there for 30, damn near an hour. How many weeks / months of time would it take to be profitable once I get into VIP? That's up to you. You can win the trades we take tomorrow. You can also lose for 2 months, but it really comes down to you. I can give you the trades that I'm taking, but that doesn't mean that you're actually going to execute them the right way. Like, it's a very you versus you journey. I can give you all the stuff I do, how I do it, and then you can still do it wrong. And you can't blame me for that one. A lot of time it's always us. Like, the main thing with trading is us. I could teach you what to do, tell you what to do, and you still do something else. It really comes down to you. You should be asking, how long are you going to take yourself to become profitable from learning all this stuff? Because you're going to be around profitable traders. What are you going to do with it, though? I could put you around a billionaire. You can not ask him anything. Won't mean shit. You were next to a billionaire and didn't ask questions. You know what I mean? Hopefully that answered it a little bit. At 17, was you profitable? No. At 17, I just started trading. If I was profitable at 17, I should be in a fucking mansion by now. I'm 22. I wasn't profitable until I was like 19. Do you blame your girl for losing trades? No. She's nowhere near nowhere near me, like when I'm trading, so it's not necessarily, like if I were blaming her, that would be like the ultimate deflection ever. I lose a trade and to go over there and blame her. That shit would be kind of funny, but no, I don't blame her. How much for access to VIP? Depending on if you want to do it lifetime. If you want to lock it in lifetime, it'll be $300 and then you won't have to pay anymore. If you do it monthly, it'll be $50 a month. If you do it a weekly, it'll be $15 a week. It really just depends on what you want to do. In terms of saving the most money, if you plan on being there for more than 6 months, buying it all at once is going to be the safer option, but it's really up to you. I'm 18, trying to start going with trading. What's some advice? Trust the process, understand it's going to take time, and ask yourself this. Do you think you can learn a language in 1 month? It's the same thing with trading. Do you think you can learn how to speak fluently a language you never spoke in a month? That's the same thing with trading. You're not going to become fluent in trading in a month. It's going to take time. It's going to take experience. It's going to take trial and error. But keep asking these questions. Late night, it's a Thursday. We just working. We able to trade on weekends or only weekdays? It's only weekdays. The market is closed on the weekends. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Hey, bro, I make money every day, but I tend to lose it the same day. I just need to stop trading once I'm up. How do you deal with this? You just answer it. Stop trading once you're up. I mean, you know the answer already. It's just about doing it. Your real thing is, how do I stop trading once I'm up? You just got to learn that enough is enough. Learn to be okay with it. It's going to take you continuing to lose all the profit to then do that. Is the one-on-one mentorship a one-time payment? Yeah, it's one time. You just pay that and then you got everything locked in. You won't have to pay no monthly fees. Not a lot of people get the lifetime of it, but honestly, they end up paying the same amount. So it's just, hey, do what you wish. Best tip is to walk away. I'm telling you, the easiest thing is the simplest thing. The easiest thing is the simplest thing. Doing nothing. Do nothing. Close your eyes. Walk away. Let me see. Nanda, almost at 100 subs, Birdie. Thanks to you. Consistency is key now. 100 is just the beginning. 100, then 1,000, then 100,000. Just 1% a day. Send that link, Birdie. I'm a cop. It's in the bio. I can't send links in here, but it's just in the bio if you just go out of this. What's up, bro? I fuck with your content. Keep going, brother. Always. Ain't hearing you, bro. Tough day in the markets, but 30 will get us right tomorrow. Yeah, we're going to see. We're going to see how we can end the week off. We're going to see what Friday's sitting for. You thinking in the future to move to a tax-free country? Maybe Dubai, maybe Puerto Rico, maybe in the future. But as of right now, I don't got the money to leave yet. I'm going to stay in the States. I mean, I honestly got the money to leave, but I honestly wouldn't benefit much from it right now. You know what I mean? I could just do it, but I like being in the city right now. I'm going through that phase of my life. Do you do crypto? Also, or just trading? Just trading. I don't do crypto. The way I look at it, I could have invested in US 30 3-4 years ago, and I would have been up. If not more than I would have been up in Bitcoin, I would have been still up. I don't need to trade Bitcoin. I'm in the markets. And one thing that people don't understand when it comes to trading, we know the things that most people don't. Most people that know about Bitcoin, that are investing in the Bitcoin, they're not as advanced with the technical analysis with the market like we are as traders. I can invest into anything. I could trade in anything. I don't need to be in Bitcoin. Once I'm a full-time trader, I'm to Puerto Rico. You're going to Puerto Rico? Nah, yeah, Puerto Rico's nice. I definitely will go to Puerto Rico. But the thing I would have is I would probably have my residency there, but I wouldn't live there all throughout the year. Maybe a couple months out of the year. You know what I mean? That's like the kind of vibe I would go for. Now keep asking these questions. Everybody that's new, how y'all doing? We about to see what we could do today. Well, not even today. Tonight, we just working, man. Just a working night. 6.5 months out there. Yeah, like half the year. I know it has to be a certain amount to have the tax benefits. That's the only thing. But even then, that would be cool. Summertime, I'll come to the States. I feel that. Now, yeah, especially if it'll make you go out the way. That's exactly how I feel when it comes to crypto. Yeah, I don't really care for it. I can make money trading anything. I'm looking at other stuff. Let me see. I have this strategy hitting about 70 to 80% win rate per month. When I'm live, I always lose. It's been like 5 months now. I'm doing the same thing. Just find it hard learning from my mistakes. A lot of times it's the emotions. Like, you're gonna have a lot of emotions when it comes to it. The emotions are the main thing that you gotta learn. Are you gonna keep your one-on-one mentorship the same price, or will it raise in the future? No, it's definitely gonna go up. Right now, $500 makes sense for the price because of what you get with VIP when you get the content to cash. But there's gonna be a point to where I'm not gonna want to do give people the time for that amount of money. Like right now, $500 is cool, is worth the time. But say if I'm making $20,000, $30,000 in a day, an extra couple $100 isn't going to be like, it's not going to be moving enough for me to want to give my whole entire day. You know what I mean? Time is money. Time is money. Time is something you're never going to get back. People don't understand the value in time, but that's why VIP is what it is. I make VIP cheap so I can give my time to multiple people at once, compared to charging someone $10,000 and just giving it to that one person. You know, I can reach more people. Elon joined the Department of Government Efficiency. If you look at the abbreviation, it's legit Doge, putting money in Doge. It's all good. I put some money in some US 30 or something. That shit's been hitting all-time highs every year since I don't know when. I don't even know when. But I believe it. Money's gonna be made everywhere. It's just a matter of what you're gonna be willing to put your money into. I'm not gonna be willing to put a great amount of money into all these cryptos, especially stuff I don't have any experience in. I'd rather put my money in stuff that I have experience in. I'd rather risk $10,000 on a trade than put it into Bitcoin. At least I'll trust my odds. I'll make the money that I would have took me a couple months to make in a day. When we join VIP, will you know that we joined? Yeah, I get notifications on my phone. And then in the group chat, if you join, it's like I usually welcome everybody. So it'll be like your name, join the chat, and I'll just be like, welcome to the team. Any current long-term investments? The only thing I'm investing in right now is myself and my brand. I don't have anything that I'm like trying to external businesses. Until I got, like I say, 200,000-300,000 that I'm willing to put into something, I'm not really looking to invest. I want to invest a good amount of money so that it can make me 2 to 3% a month, and that 2 to 3% will be thousands. You know what I mean? Compared to investing 10,000, only making $10, $20 here. You know what I mean? It's just not, it doesn't make sense in my opinion. I'd rather use that money to make me more money first. What's a good trading month for you? I would say around the springtime, like March, April, May. That time is great. March, April, May, around there, maybe a little February. March, April, May, that spring, fall time, it's a great trading time, great trading time. Yeah, can't lose on indices or literally bullish markets. I wouldn't say you can't lose, but long term, you know what I mean? Like looking at it hindsight, if I would have held, yeah, I would have been good, but it's always hindsight. It's easier to look at it after it's all done, but that's the same with everything. But I'm telling you, they always be going up. What tip would you do to make your stop from taking another trade after an L? Just be disciplined. There's not going to be like an easy way to do it. It's just being okay with doing it, learning to do it no matter how you feel. You basically look at this. You ask, what tip would you give yourself from taking another L? You know what you got to do. It's just a matter of you care too much about how that L makes you feel. You got to do what you're supposed to regardless. If you didn't have a girlfriend, would you trade with a like-minded friend or go solo? Huh? If you didn't have a girlfriend, would you trade with a like-minded friend or go solo? Would I trade? What's my girlfriend got to do with the trading now? I don't trade with my girlfriend. I would be trading with the same people if I was single or not, in the same room, the same VIP members. My girlfriend be like in the background of the calls sometimes, like if I'm smoking with her or something. But I'm a solo ranger for the most part. I still be out here. Like I was living on my own in Florida when I met my girlfriend already. Control everything possible. And the only way I'm able to do that is from teach you guys exactly how to do it. So you can do the same. I didn't do the typical investment my job does. What do you mean? I didn't do the typical investing my job does. Do you listen to Andrew Tate? Yeah, I listened to him a while ago. I don't really listen to him on a consistent basis, but I definitely like Andrew Tate. I knew S&P 500 was a smarter option. Good work. Does smoking help you trade? No, it doesn't help me trade. Doesn't help. It doesn't necessarily affect me though, but everyone's going to be different. Is it going to help you? I honestly doubt it. It's not going to do nothing. If you need a smoke to be able to trade correctly, you're already off to a bad start. If I smoke or not, I'm going to do the same shit. Smoking is just kind of something that I do if I'm trading, just kind of pass the time. Just do it while I'm talking to everybody. But I don't do it to help me trade, you know what I mean? It's not going to do nothing. It's just a temporary hit. It's a temporary fix. It's nothing long-term. The only way you're going to be able to get long-term change is within yourself. Becoming disciplined, becoming patient, and understanding that no matter how you feel after you take a loss, no matter how you feel after a losing day, a losing week, you know what you're supposed to do regardless how you feel. Fuck how you feel. You got to do it anyway. Nova, there's no food in that bowl. You just keep on trying to eat the bowl. You're basically just full margining. What if you don't take your stop loss? What if something happens and it goes way farther in drawdown than you thought? You're opening too much risk. Too much risk. Full-time trading, or do you have other cash flow investments? I don't full-time trade, but I'm a full-time entrepreneur. I got YouTube, I got VIP, I got some brand deals. I have trading. I have a couple different things. But I don't have any investments. All the money I make is active money. Like, I work for all the money I make. There's nothing like, if I disappeared today and I did nothing for a month, I would lose a whole lot of money and I wouldn't be making a whole lot of money, because all the stuff I do right now is actively working to make money. I have to actively take a trade to make money. I have to post a YouTube video to get views. I have to continue to post YouTube videos to promote all my other businesses. So I'm not at a point to where I'm passive yet. Soon though, but that's when I was saying, like, when I have a couple 100,000 to put into real estate to get 24 units, 34 units, like big property, that's when the passive money is going to come in. But not yet. I got a lot of money to make first. A lot more money to make. What are some of your main trading rules? Don't over risk. Don't take more trades than you're supposed to. Don't over leverage. Follow your plan. Like, those are the main real things. Like, besides that, it's very simple. Thoughts on TJR? Y'all must love TJR. I don't have no thoughts on him. I mean, he's his own person. Not sure. What rent looking like in that sky rise? I paid 37. What do you think about micro on a challenge? I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Just if you want to risk a whole lot, just be okay with understanding that you may lose the account faster. Also, high risk, high reward. But there's nothing wrong with it as long as you know what you're doing. As long as you know the intention behind you risking that much, you can't be mad at the outcome. What time frames holds the most weight in regards to fair value gaps? Just regardless into any concept in the market is going to be the higher the time frame. The higher the time frame, the better. It's not necessarily the better. I would say the higher likelihood of having a reaction off of it. Yeah, higher time frames. You get it, M3. What's going on, Joseph? What's going on, Daniel? What's going on, y'all? It's 10 o'clock already? Goddamn. I'll probably be on here for maybe 10, 20 more minutes. You paying mortgage for that? You're paying mortgage for that. Have you thought about a house? No, I don't want a house. The higher, the better probability. Facts. Thoughts on liquidity sweep, break a structure, order block, or fair value gap? I like liquidity sweeps and fair value gaps. Those are like my two main low plays right there. Do you think personally it's more risky to do micros? Yeah, if you're risking more, it's just more risky. Risky is just more risk. How I start trading and what do I have to do, what I have to do in the first month. Get on the free course if you're brand new. If you had 70K from an LLC, what would you do with it? Any advice? If you don't have any skills, I wouldn't do shit with it, because you're more than likely going to lose it. You're better off investing it into yourself unless you have some skills. But I wouldn't put it into trading if you don't have any trading experience. Andre, I learned trading somewhere else, but I like your psychology videos. That's why I fuck with you. I appreciate it, Birdie. Do you fast? I ain't gonna lie, I haven't ate today. I'm fasting unintentionally. I haven't ate today. Thanks for asking, at least. Nah, yeah, I guess I do fast. I be fasting unintentionally. When I end up busy and just moving around and doing a whole lot of shit, sometimes I don't eat. I still gotta go to the gym. I'm gonna probably go to the gym and then eat after. Then it's gonna be mad late, but sometimes when you're moving around, you don't get to eat. First world problems, I guess. What's your main confluences? Oh, you're asking now. But yeah, let me know what questions y'all got though. What's going on, Carla? I'm about to be up out of here maybe like 5, 10, 20 minutes. We'll see. If y'all can keep the questions flowing, I'm going to keep on going. Let's end my night off right. I'm trying to give y'all the value, the game. Just got to let me know. But why stick to the same pair? They're all random. How can you know how a single pair moves? It's not random. Everything happens for a reason. That's what you realize that once you stick to a pair or two, you'll realize, damn, this shit does the same shit all over. It's not random. If you see a 4 hour fair value gap, go down to the 1 hour fair value gap. Which one is priority? I would say the higher time frame is always going to be the most likely, but then again, that 4 hour gap might not get traded into. So you just got to have both into an idea. Understand what if I get in the median of both, like the middle of both of them, how close are they? If I have my stop loss, is going to be able to hold both gaps. Like, those are the things you got to ask. That method will help him not be scared. I feel it. It'll help him not be scared, but also I forget what the question was, to be honest. I forget, to be honest. Yeah, you got it. And help him not be scared. One loss in a day doesn't mess with the psychology, like 2 losses in a day. Honestly, depends on the person, to be honest. I would say it's really different, because I could take one W and call it a day versus other people can't. Are there any other businesses or industries you want to branch off into in the future? I want to get into clothing, like have a little FBA clothing brand. That's the next little possible thing. How do you stay so positive when you're on the come up? Just you have everything still to gain. If you have nothing yet, if you don't have no success, you have everything to gain. Once you're at rock bottom, the only place to go is up. What's your top 3 books of all time? The Subconscious Mind, Think and Grow Rich, and The Millionaire Booklet by Grant Cardone. It's not really a book, but it's a small John. How much you smoke a day in joints? I don't even know. I don't count, to be honest. Maybe 5, 6. It depends the day, to be honest. Maybe I'm having fun today. Maybe I'm busy all day. I don't really count it. It's just, whatever happens, happens. What funded account paid you? Can I hop on? I've got paid by Top Step and FTMO. I haven't traded anyone else. Been to any vacation resort? I've been to Mexico. I've been to Cancun. I went to Bermuda. I went to Miami a lot. St. Martin. Haven't been to too many resorts though. I go to a lot of Airbnbs. Thoughts on MetaTrader 5? MetaTrader 5 is cool. It's just not on a lot of things no more. This is very scarce when it comes to what it's in. Am I oversaturating? Let me see. I didn't read the first one. I've been looking at the chart all day recently, backtesting, taking notes, and looking for setups. Am I oversaturating? Depends how much experience you have in trading. If you've only been trading for 2-3 weeks, then no, you're not. You need all that. But if you've been trading for 5 years, then yeah, you're putting too much. Would you recommend not placing trades on TradingView itself? Would you recommend not placing? I mean, it depends on a broker. I personally like trading on TradingView. It's just you got to have a regulated broker to trade on TradingView. So most people don't use it. I like trading on TradingView though. It makes it easier. Less stuff to switch for. Yo, my nose is mad itchy right now, bro. Shit. I think it's because that door is open. Would you risk 50% of the funded to pass in 2 days and lower risk when you finally fund it? It depends if you're willing to buy another challenge if you fail it. Would I do it? Yeah, I'll do it. But just because I would doesn't mean you should. Are you going to be willing to fail that account just to buy a new one? I will because I can spend the money for it. But if you can too, then it's just all high risk, high reward, low risk, low reward. You just got to understand that. But there's nothing wrong if you can do it. You can do it, but also keep in mind, how you get it is how you lose it. If you end up passing a prop firm real fast, the chance of you losing a prop firm fast is also likely. Shadow New Zealand, yeah, facts. Shadow New Zealand. What's your opinion on crypto? It's cool. Just another little way of making money. But at the end of the day, the market is going to be the market regardless if it's crypto, stocks, Forex. I look at it all the same. Shit moves every day. How old are you? I'm 22. 22 years old. 22 years young. How can I hold my emotion when I trade live? It's just about dealing with it. You don't hold your emotion. You deal with the emotions. Regardless how you feel, just don't do nothing. Just because you feel sad doesn't mean you cry. Just because you feel mad doesn't mean you punch your girlfriend. You have discipline throughout your whole day. Any other time is just about you doing that same thing in trading. Just because that trade makes you feel like shit doesn't mean you punch your computer. You just do some push-ups or something. You're so mature for your age. When I watch your videos, I've been wondering who created you. Nah, that's funny. Now, yeah, I'm young. Mindset is leveled up though. I've been on this same route for a while now. Like in terms of education, knowledge. Like I started when I was in high school doing a lot of the stuff I do now. What's some website that you lets you make a demo account? It wouldn't be a website, it would be a broker. You can go to Hanko Trade. There's a link in my bio if you want to go to Hanko Trade. All right, a couple more questions. I keep on saying that, but y'all know how I be, man. Do you still battle with emotions when in trades, or was there a certain point where you got that down? I still deal with emotions now. That's why I be telling people, like, there's no holding your emotions. Some days I'm in a worse mood than I was yesterday, and that's going to affect my trading. Tell us how your first year in trading and how did you manage to grow as this is my 6th month. The first year I lost a whole lot of money, whole lot of fucking money the first year, first 2 years. The main thing to focus on in the beginning is getting as much knowledge and education as possible without putting money into your own account, because I promise you, you're going to lose it. That's just how it is. You're probably going to lose that money. Better off getting the understanding of what you're doing, get experience on a demo account, and then go for a funded challenge so where you don't got to spend as much to actually do it compared to putting money into a live account. Like, I'd rather you spend a couple $100s on challenges than spend $1,000 just to put in one live account that you'll probably blow in a week. Y'all think it's possible to get good at day trading off the phone? It's possible, but it's just not sustainable Like, it's gonna be very hard. You want to have a computer, you want to have efficiency. If you're always on the phone, it's going to make it very hard to multitask. It's just going to be a different world. Like, I don't know anyone specifically that only trades off a phone and never trades off of anything else that is like in a position that I want to be. Is it possible? Yeah, don't get me wrong, but you're going to want a bigger screen at some point because you can only see so much on your phone. Like, you can only see so much charts. You can only see so much into futures. You fuck with the THC pens? Nah, I don't really like the pens like that. They're cool, but I don't like it like that. They usually make my head like too foggy and they just give me like a headache. And then I just be like, nah, this is whack. This is not what I did this for. And just like that, we are off the call. That was probably, I don't even know how long that call was, but nonetheless, it was like an hour long, gave value, gave them just all the above. Like, I'd be giving them everything. Everything. People don't realize I'm an open book. I speak about everything. Everything. Like, if you ask me, bro, I promise you I will answer it. It's just a matter of asking. Closed mouths don't get fed. But overall, great session. I'm going to have this uploaded on the Instagram. It was probably like an hour and something call. It was going to be uploaded fully on there. I got like maybe 15, 20 minutes of recorded session for you guys to actually see it, to get the value. But nonetheless, this is where the video is going to come to it. And I hope you had a great day. Hope you had a productive day. And I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. We're going to have a great Friday. We're going to have a great week. And with that being said, if you want to learn how to trade, the free trading course is in the description. Everything that I do on a daily basis when it comes to my concepts, my strategy, my risk management plan is in the description. All down below. If you want to join VIP to get access to money mindset trading sessions every single day, 7 days a week, live trading 5 days a week, VIP in the description. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm going to see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.